In this session, let us learn about machine learning normal data distribution. Normal data distribution. In the previous chapter, we learned how to create a completely random array of a given size and between two given values. In this chapter, we will learn how to create an array where the values are concentrated around a given value. In probability theory, this kind of data distribution is known as the normal data distribution or the Gaussian data distribution. After the mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss, who came up with the formula of this data distribution. See example, a typical normal data distribution. See, a normal distribution graph is also known as the bell curve because of its characteristic shape of a bell with the top at approximately 5.0. See here. Histogram explained. We use the array from the NumPy.random normal method with 10,000 values to draw a histogram with 100 bars. We specify that the mean value is 5.0 and the standard deviation is 1.0, meaning that the value should be concentrated around 5.0 and rarely further away than 1.0 from the mean. And as you can see from the histogram, most values are between 4.0 and 6.0 with the top approximately 5.0. Okay friends, this is the end of part 6 machine learning normal data distribution. In next video, let us learn about another topic, machine learning scatter plot. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.